Welcome to Toolverse, your #1 source for AI-powered tools, smart automations, and clever software that can save you time and scale your income. Let's be honest, video content is king right now. Whether it's TikToks, Reels, YouTube Shorts, or full-on long-form podcasts, video is what drives attention, builds connection, and sells. But here's the problem. Editing video takes forever. You record for an hour, then spend 4 more hours trimming clips, adding captions, syncing B-roll, resizing for different platforms, and exporting everything just to do it again tomorrow. If you're a content creator, coach, podcaster, or digital business owner, you already know how draining this can be. And hiring an editor? That helps, but it's expensive, slow, and not always in the budget. This is where Opus Clip comes in, and I don't say this lightly. This is one of the most time-leveraged AI tools I've ever seen, because it doesn't just help you edit video, it practically does it for you. So today we're breaking down exactly how Opus Clip works, why it's a total game changer for short-form content, and how it's helping creators and entrepreneurs get 10 to 20 times more content out of a single video, with almost zero effort. Let's dive in. Here's what Opus Clip does at the most basic level. You upload a long video, maybe a talking head, an interview, a webinar, a podcast, or even a screen recording. Within minutes, it automatically generates short-form, vertical, TikTok-style clips based on the best moments inside your video. But it doesn't just randomly cut things. It uses AI to analyze the content. It finds highlights based on voice inflection, emotional keywords, story structure, pacing, and even facial expressions. Then it creates full short-form videos with jump cuts, dynamic zooms, auto captions, emojis, headline text, and subtitles, all ready to post. It's like hiring a professional editor, storyteller, and social media strategist, all rolled into one tool that works in under 5 minutes. But here's where it gets better. Opus Clip doesn't just edit your content, it repurposes it. You can take a 30-minute podcast and get 8 to 12 viral-ready shorts from it, instantly. Each clip is trimmed, captioned, formatted for vertical video, and includes an attention-grabbing title on top. No Premiere Pro or Final Cut required. And for anyone who's been editing content manually, you already know how huge that is. We're talking hours. Gone. Headaches. Gone. And most importantly, consistency becomes possible. Let's talk use cases. If you're a personal brand posting talking head content, Opus Clip helps you stay visible daily without recording every day. Just batch film once per week, upload, and let the tool generate the best clips for you. If you're a podcaster or interviewer, this tool is pure gold. Take your episode, feed it to Opus, and suddenly you've got a week's worth of promotional content. All auto-cut, auto-captioned, and formatted for Reels, Shorts, and TikTok. If you're a course creator, YouTuber, or even a UGC freelancer, this turns your workflow from reactive to systemized. You create once, then clip, repurpose, and publish without friction. Now let's talk about customization. Opus Clip lets you edit every clip it creates. You can trim the timeline, change the captions, adjust the zoom, add emojis, or modify the style to match your brand. It even lets you choose the exact aspect ratio for different platforms, so you can optimize one clip for TikTok and another version for Instagram or YouTube Shorts. But what's wild is most of the time you won't need to touch anything. The AI cuts are tight. The captions are clean. The formatting is already optimized for engagement. You go from upload to post-ready content in minutes, not hours. Let's also talk about one of its most unique features, AI highlight scoring. Every clip Opus generates comes with a score. That score predicts how likely it is that the clip will perform well on social platforms, based on thousands of pieces of high-performing short-form content. So instead of guessing which part of your video is good, Opus shows you which clips have the highest potential. It's literally like having a built-in content strategist looking at your footage and saying, use this part right here. This one's gonna pop. Now, let's talk pricing. Opus Clip has a free plan that lets you try out the platform and create a handful of clips. But the real power comes with the Creator or Pro plans, which unlock unlimited exports, HD downloads, brand customization, and priority rendering. And compared to what you'd pay a human editor to do the same work, the value is insane. We're talking about what used to cost $500 to $1,000 per month in labor, now replaced by a tool that costs less than your weekly coffee habit. More importantly, it's not just about money, it's about time. And this tool gives you your time back. You spend less time editing and more time creating, more time testing new hooks, more time writing offers, more time actually growing your business. Opus Clip removes the bottleneck, period. Now let's be clear, this isn't for everyone. If you're doing cinematic edits or branded video production with heavy storytelling, this won't replace a pro team. But if you're a content creator, coach, consultant, or educator looking to create consistent, punchy, short-form video content, this tool can completely transform your workflow. No more opening CapCut or Premiere and trying to line up cuts manually. No more wasting energy on tasks that AI can handle for you. No more falling off the content wagon because you ran out of bandwidth. With Opus Clip, your long videos become 10 days of content. Your speaking clips become assets. Your backlog becomes a content goldmine. And if you want to stay relevant, grow a following, and create connection in today's fast-paced feed economy, tools like this aren't optional. They're necessary, because speed matters, and attention rewards consistency. Opus Clip gives you both. So if you've been struggling to keep up with editing, if you've been falling behind on Reels, Shorts, or TikToks, or if you simply want to turn one piece of content into 10 without working 10 times harder, this is your sign. Try Opus Clip, use it for a week, and see what happens when AI becomes your post-production team. Subscribe to Toolverse for daily breakdowns of next-level tools like this one, and discover how to unlock speed, clarity, and creative power using the smartest software on the internet. We'll see you in the next one.